Welcome back to my channel, Financial Domination, which is so much focused on the cryptocurrency industry. I'm your tour guide in this ever-captivating and sometimes turbulent world of digital assets. Today, we're going to discuss the current state of the crypto market and make some daring predictions for 2024. We look forward to an amazing journey. As we move into the current backdrop of the crypto market, several significant trends are shaping the future of cryptocurrencies. This emphasizes a shift towards more democratic financial systems, free from traditional banking restraints, such as decentralized finance (DeFi). They are also trending in non-fungible tokens (NFTs), which are no longer limited to digital art and include things like real estate and intellectual property. Also worth noting is that adoption of cryptocurrencies by major financial institutions, as well as payment platforms, indicates growing acceptance and integration into daily economic activities. There's a rising emphasis on investor sentiment towards environmental issues, encouraging the use of more energy-efficient blockchain technologies. For example, this can be seen in increased interest in proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies as an alternative to energy-intensive proof-of-work mechanism. Besides, various global regulatory landscapes have started to develop. However, some countries embrace crypto, while others restrict it, directly impacting market dynamics. At the same time, crypto analytics and security is emerging as a significant area in addressing concerns about fraud and market manipulation, thus creating safer avenues for investment. Being at the forefront of shaping future markets in this fast-changing crypto landscape, technological innovations still remain a key concern. A case in point is Layer 2 scaling solutions development that promises to boost transaction speeds and decrease costs, thus improving usability of cryptocurrencies as a medium of exchange for everyday goods and services. Besides, with time, quantum-resistant blockchains are emerging as an inevitable evolution to counter any possible future threats to blockchain security. Another area that attracts a lot of attention is interoperability among different blockchain platforms, which seek to create a more connected as well as efficient ecosystem. These technological leaps will tackle the present constraints while opening up new possibilities for adoption and use cases in crypto. Popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin (BTC), Ethereum (ETH), and the emerging altcoins are being predicted by various analysts cautiously optimistically for 2024, reflecting the changing dynamics of the crypto market. Bitcoin, which birthed the cryptocurrency revolution, is however expected to continue its role as a digital gold, inflation and economic uncertainty hedge. Some experts also expect that another halving event in 2024 will be a turning point for BTC in particular with regards to prices, as it could trigger a bullish run since it'll reduce supply by half, thus increasing scarcity. Ethereum's transition to POS consensus mechanism could enhance its advantage as a leading dApp and smart contract provider and further consolidate this position. The introduction of Ethereum 2.0 could lead to substantial reduction in transaction fees while enhancing scalability, thereby making the ecosystem more attractive to developers and users alike. This move, coupled with an expanding DeFi sector and growing NFTs, shows that ETH will not only become more useful, but also valuable over time. Nonetheless, other types of digital assets, including the DeFi-related ones, such as NFTs or Web3, have different destinies altogether from these established ones. If a project can provide unique solutions to problems like interoperability, scalability, privacy, or even sector partnerships with established players, it could realize significant growth. Nevertheless, not all altcoins will survive in the face of ever-increasing competition and regulation. There may be some consolidation in the market favoring projects that have strong fundamentals and practical use cases for blockchain technology. Given the fact that predictions in crypto are more speculative by nature, the underlying tendencies and technological developments indicate a growing mature market for well-established cryptocurrencies as well as new ones. Nonetheless, investors are advised to conduct thorough research and maintain balanced portfolios to navigate through volatility and take advantage of potential 2024 returns. The situation in the crypto market sentiment is mixed. It's hanging between cautious positivity and distrustful skepticism. Investors and enthusiasts are watching regulatory developments, technological advances, and mainstream adoption trends, which contribute to a prevailing uncertain and expectant mood. Sentiments on social media and news platforms play a major role with positive stories about crypto adoption, leading to spikes in interest and investment, whereas negative reports can quickly result in downturns. This delicate balance underscores the crypto market's sensitivity towards external influences and emphasizes the need for staying informed as well as being adaptive. A number of key events are expected to shape the crypto sector in 2024, such as regulatory resolutions, Bitcoin halving event, as well as progressions towards blockchain interoperability. Regulatory announcements, especially on the legal status of crypto or rules guiding their application, may have immediate effects on prices that are profound. The Bitcoin halving event is widely expected to reduce new Bitcoin supply, thus historically resulting into significant price surges. Additionally, breakthroughs in blockchain interoperability could enhance the utility of cryptocurrencies, potentially leading to greater adoption and upward price movements. These events represent critical junctures that could decisively influence market dynamics and investor sentiment. The advent of institutional investors into the crypto market is a significant development that signals wider acceptability and legitimacy of virtual currencies. These include hedge funds, pension funds, and big businesses, which possess huge sums of money, use sophisticated trading strategies, and have the professional scrutiny needed to stabilize the market and facilitate its growth. Their participation usually means that these entities believe in the long-term sustainability of cryptocurrencies, hence shaping the view of retail investors who may begin to expect more such assets. At the same time, since they are so important to this market, some people worry about excessive volatility, along with possible manipulation by them. The impact of institutional participation on the cryptocurrency landscape continues to be an area that remains fundamental. Global economic trends strongly affect how people buy cryptocurrencies. Inflation rates, or interest rates, or even policies influence investor behavior and market dynamics in this sector. This may be particularly true if traditional economies come under pressure. Consider digital currency as a possible outlet for investment, thereby resulting in fluctuations in demand and prices. The falling economy will always make investors turn to Bitcoins due to their ability to act as hedge against controversial monetary systems, while economic calmness could lead to reduced crypto turbulence. If one is to comprehend the changing nature of a cryptocurrency market landscape, it's important to keep an eye on these global trends. Experts anticipate that crypto exchange platforms will feature better safety policies and easier user interfaces for their ever-increasing consumers. The most significant aspect will be incorporating AI into trading for customized insights as well as reducing regulatory compliance. Similarly, there are likely to be more decentralized exchanges, which users can control their own money and reduce centralized steals, among other things. As such, this facilitates smoother transfers of assets between various blockchains and makes the trading experience more enriched through cross-chain technology. These improvements in the way digital currencies are traded aim at making it accessible, safe, and efficient to all participants in the financial markets. This is it, folks. The cryptocurrency market should witness some interesting changes by 2024. There is much to anticipate from increased mainstream adoption, rise of altcoins, and probably Bitcoin's new highs. What do you think would happen with cryptocurrency markets in 2024? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you liked this video, subscribe and learn more about cryptocurrencies on my channel. Thank you guys for watching us today, and stay blessed until then when we'll meet again talking about digital currencies.